Right, let's make my favourite pizza. Let's make the Big Dawg. It's sweet and spicy, just like me. Right, so this is really our signature pizza. When I first started making pizzas, I wanted something that had a little bit of heat to it, something a bit meaty, something that was sweet. I wanted to play on textures, I wanted to play on flavours. We can't sell enough of them. People just can't get enough of the Big Dawg. Straight on with the sauce. That good swirl, not too much. Got some of that creamy fior de latte for business. Gonna come in with a little bit of spicy pepperoni. Smoked pepperoni. This is a Hungarian smoked. This is the absolute Dawg's danglies. And do ya. That crisps up, releases some nice oils. On with a little bit of red onion and then some pickled jellies. That is gonna be a mouthgasm, 100%. Break that seal, pop her out. That's what we're going for right there. Get it dressed and cut. A little bit of oregano, New York style, fresh basil. Go heavy on the basil because I love it. Coming on with some Dawghouse hot honey. Finish it up by making it rain with some fresh pecorino. Nice and heavy. And there we have it. The Big Dawg, my favourite pizza, our #1 seller, my first creation. Voila. Let's slice her up. God, it's loaded. I mean, I'm gonna say it all day long. Best pizza they've ever made. The Big Dawg. You can't not be happy. Sweet, spicy, cheesy, just like me.